Okay guys, this is a short video about the red 1977 Pontiac Firebird TA 6.6 Trans Am MCC model kit. I've already did the gold one. See, that's mine. That's my dad's. He's almost done with it. Had to put the air cleaner on. This little hood thingy, I don't know what it's called. The visor things or roof thingies, I don't know what they're called. Exhaust, and then hood and decals and trimming and painting on the sides. Taillights, windshield, interior, firewall, rear, and rear hose. So when we do come back, the decals and everything else will be on the car. So stay tuned. Here's a car what it looks like roughly before decals. Still gotta put these on, and the chrome trimming. This is what it looks like compared to this car. Alright, see when we have the decals on, everything is done. Okay, here it is, it's finally done. These are three 1977 Pontiac Firebirds. This one was the third kit I built. This was Smokey the Bandit car. I got it here to compare it to these two. Comment down below which one you think is first. Well, the best. Like first place, and then second place and third place. Put it in order. What do you think is the best? Okay, here it is with the motors. That's my motor, the gold. There's my dad's motor, Hooper car. And then Smokey and the Bandit engine. Comment down below what you think's the best engine. Okay. So, see you in the next build.